Packing for fall travel? You can bring 9 pieces and feel put together the whole trip. Welcome or welcome back. So you're going on a fall trip, real fall, like leaves changing, sweater weather, maybe a cute scarf, not sipping pina coladas on the beach, but the calendar says it's autumn because everything is pumpkin spice. If you want a detailed explanation of the 3x3 packing method, check out my previous video. Today, we're applying it to fall travel. 9 pieces, specifically planned, 0 meltdowns in your hotel room about having nothing to wear. Let's do it. So here's the deal. You take 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 layering pieces. They all mix and match like the world's chicest math problem. Shoes are separate because you all know I'm not living my life in just one pair. That's just asking for blisters and sadness. The trick is in the outfit formula. Top plus layer plus bottom, bottom plus top plus layer, layer plus bottom plus top. Move the pieces around and you always land on something that looks intentional. First, let's start with tops. White tank, classic, crisp, goes with everything from jeans to dress pants to pajama bottoms when you accidentally wear it to breakfast. Black turtleneck. She's chic, she's slimming, and she makes you look like you have deep thoughts about art or whatever, even if you're just thinking about lunch. And then an oversized graphic tee, because sometimes you want people to know you have personality, but you also want to be comfy enough to nap on the plane. All right, now bottoms. For this one, I'm doing Levi's 501s, timeless, comfortable, and make you feel like you might casually run into an ex and look mysteriously amazing. I get mine from Mercari because someone else has already done the breaking in for me, and they're much less expensive. If 501s aren't your thing, pick a pair of jeans that are comfortable and look great on you. Next, black leggings with pockets. Pockets are key here. You can fit your phone, your boarding pass, maybe a snack, and yes, you can dress them up. Don't fight me on this. They're comfy and they pack thin. And then lastly, pleated wide leg dress pants, because these can add cool points no matter what you pair them with. Now for the layering pieces. Layering is where your fall outfits go from meh to yeah. Cardigan works over everything. Bonus, it doubles as an in-flight blanket when the cabin temp feels like sub-zero. Then we have a flannel. Adds pattern, warmth, and a little grunge edge. Also useful if you want to look like you accidentally wandered out of a cozy cabin. Pick one that makes you look good and not like a whole lumberyard. And then last, a chunky open front sweater, basically a socially acceptable robe. Throw it over anything and you look like you have your life together. Now the fun part, shoes. For this I chose red Chelsea boots, the statement shoe. You can be wearing the simplest outfit, but these say, yes, I did think about this. Grab a pair that are waterproof because weather can be weather sometimes. Then black low top Chuck Taylors. Casual, cool, and work with dresses, jeans, and even the pleated pants if you want to look like you're effortlessly blending dressy and casual. And then slides. These are for hotel lobby runs, darting out to the car from your VRBO, or pretending it's still summer. These are slip on and go, and they don't take up valuable space. Here's the part people skip. You must try on all of this before you pack it. Otherwise, you're setting yourself up for day 2 in front of the hotel mirror saying, why did I think this fit me? So then you lay them out like this. Your outfits should look like this. And here's a pro tip for those days when you have jet lag or just brain fog. Take a picture of the layout and the 3x3 grid and save it somewhere on your phone so that you remember all the combos. Also, this is a core wardrobe, not your entire packing list. You may want to pack a lounge outfit for lazy mornings or do nothing days. Jammies, don't be the naked fire alarm person. Socks, unless blisters are your thing. Underwear, if you're like me, and I know I am, pack enough so that you can your pants 3 times a day and not have to do laundry. I don't know why I'm like this, but here we are. And because some of these pieces are a little fluffy, hello chunky sweater, we're going to wear one full outfit on the plane. Pick your bulkiest pieces. This method also assumes you're okay with doing laundry once on your trip or at least washing a top in the sink. Bring a clothing refresher spray so you can re-wear pieces without smelling like you've been living in a bus station. And don't forget the traveler's best friend, the Tide Stain Stick. Couple of pro tips. Stick to a mostly neutral palette with 1 or 2 statement colors. Here, the red is the hero. Hang your tops and layering pieces whenever possible. This keeps them from wrinkling and also airs them out. Wear your bulkiest pieces on the plane. I'm saying that twice because it's important. And that's the 3x3 method fall edition. Simple, chic, no overpacking, which leaves more room for the truly important stuff like snacks, souvenirs, and that second bottle of wine you're totally going to gift to someone, but actually keep for yourself. If this gave you outfit ideas or saved you from overpacking, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Happy fall travels, friends. Thanks for watching.